Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jess and I'm a content creator based here in Illinois. My goal with this channel is to make you relax, inspire, educate, motivate, and entertain. So if any of that interests you, I'd love to invite you to subscribe and click that bell icon so you're the first to know whenever I upload anything new. Alright, let's get started. In this video, what I'm gonna do is to unbox this package that I ordered from Mercari. I just started with that app. I ordered a bunch of stuffs, mostly cards like Pokemons and NBAs. By the way, this is from New York. So yeah, let's unbox it. Oof. Nice packaging. There you go. See that? Lucky in me. Let's check what's inside. I'm so excited. Oh, this is the Michael Jordan NBA card that I ordered online. These are, I mean. So look. Yeah, see this, guys. Yep. So I'll show it to you one by one. This is a Fleer 92-93. Yep, this is the back. Yep, and this other one is In Your Face Upper Deck. They're all Michael Jordan. Yeah. Woo. This is All-Star Weekend Upper Deck still. Yep. Oh, it's the same one. Oh. I got two of these. And then what else? Upper Deck Game Faces. Yeah. This one is Fleer Ultra. Still Michael Jordan. So yeah. We have a letter too. Let me read it. Threw in a bonus card. Thanks for the buy. I knew it. I knew it. That's why I was so surprised. Why is it? There's like 6 of it. I only ordered 5. And I think the bonus card here is, if I'm not mistaken, it's this one. Yeah. Oh. This one. Yeah. So thank you so much for the bonus. I'm not gonna say your name here because I didn't ask for your permission. Thank you so much. From New York. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna end this video with a b-roll of discards. So hope you like it, guys. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to read it in my next videos. So yeah, I think that should be it for now. B-roll coming right up.